What's up guys, ByPrepPV here, and today we are picking the winners for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway, and I appreciate you guys a lot for subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, and using my affiliate links. It really does help me out a lot. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be picking two winners. Now the first name I'm going to call is going to win the Boxier Razor Micro, along with the Trans-Tech frame, and also the, the TBS patch antenna. And then the second name I'm going to call is going to win the FPV crate motors, the booster motors, along with the Menace patch antenna as well that I have over there. So let's go ahead and go over to the random comment picker and let's see who won. All right, so I'm on my video here. We have 307 comments. There is some duplicate comments, so we're going to filter those out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy in the URL here. I'm going to put that in there like so. Get the YouTube comments. It's also filtering out the duplicate users. So some people have commented more than once. I think I actually commented a couple times too, or replied to some people. So we have 297 comments. So we're going to go ahead and pick the first winner for the Trans-Tech frame along with the FPV camera. Winner, Blades FPV. Congratulations on 3K, man. Thanks for doing the giveaways. Looks like you are the winner for the Trans-Tech frame along with the FPV camera. So contact me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com and we'll make arrangements to get this shipped out to you. Now let's go ahead and pick our next winner. Earn 11, congrats on 3,000 subs. It looks like you are the winner of the booster motors and also the Menace RC patch antenna. So again, email me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com. We'll make arrangements to get this shipped out to you. All right, so that does it for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I appreciate you guys, everyone who has subscribed to my channel and participated in my videos, even watched them, and supported me through these past couple of years. I've been doing it now. I've been doing YouTube now going on 3 years, so this would be my third year doing YouTube videos with pretty much drone stuff related, but I also did some gaming stuff as well. About 5 or 6 years ago, I did a little YouTube channel along with, actually did a blog website. So I'm actually kind of tuned with how to kind of market myself and all that stuff and get my videos discovered and everything else. So, so stay to the channel. I do have some interesting things. I am going to be doing the maiden flight on that DJI build that I just built on the channel here not that long ago. I also do have the Dolphin. That's a little 4-inch drone that actually came in for a review. So I'll be doing a review on that real soon. I also did get the Tango 2, so hopefully I should have that video this week. By the end of this week, it should be uploaded and done. I actually really do like that radio a lot. But to everybody else, I'll see you guys in a future video, and peace.